Well, it's another milestone in the wait for a second airport, but residents of Pune are not holding their breath. In fact, 7 years and 3 proposed sites later, the MIDC has finally issued tenders for a techno-feasibility study at a site which is about 65 kilometers from the city. Well, Imtiaz Jalil has this report.
Pune among the country's fastest growing cities, but the transformation from a pensioner's paradise to tech city has hit turbulence. How to keep pace with the growing air traffic? It's been 7 years since the city was sanctioned a second airport, and now finally tenders for the mega project.
The previous efforts, we had certain lacunae which we could not complete, and as a result those feasibilities were not found suitable to our requirements.
This is where the new airport will take wing. New Chakan, an industrial township 35 kilometers from Pune city. Soon tenders will be floated for a techno-feasibility study and topographic survey to earmark 2,500 hectares in New Chakan. The new site will be the third one considered ever since the existing airport began to heave at the seams. Consider this, Pune's daily passenger load is 5,000. A 60% increase from 2006 to 2007. That's 30 flights a day, including international flights. Moreover, there are a number of private and international airlines waiting approval to operate from Pune. But permission is not going to be easy.
Without compromising the need of the defence and strategical requirements, which is of national importance to us.
Pune is home to one of the largest foreign student populations in the country, and with Infotech alone accounting for 15,000 crore rupees in exports, the need for a new airport is more than evident. In the last 4 years, the average annual growth in passenger traffic has been over 40%, and the demand is just growing by the day. And so there's no other alternative but to have a separate airport. But when it will come, perhaps nobody knows. In Pune, Imtiaz Jalil for NDTV.